Hello, everybody, and what am I going to do today? I'm derping around with Photoshop and get my watch on a timer, and I got 16 minutes, and I'm on my lunch break today, and I have no idea what I'm going to draw. I'm just going to derp about, and I'm starting a timer now. There it goes. So, what am I drawing? What am I drawing? I don't know. Sit down. There we go. Face, maybe? I don't know. I have no idea what I'm drawing here. But I'm just goofing about. And I'm using like an old version of Photoshop. That shouldn't matter, should it? So I gotta work quick. Let's work quick. What am I drawing here? It's a face of some kind. Oh, really? Why are you drawing in Photoshop? Because I can. Why are you using such an old version? Because I'm broke. Alright. La 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 la. I even want to do that. I don't know. That's the problem. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh. Should I draw some kind of freaky animal? Bird, maybe. So, what kind of bird is this? Yeah, just a rough sketch. Such a rough sketch. Your Photoshop sucks. Yeah, it's probably not the ideal parameter for painting. Something that works. Anyhow, maybe I should just throw on a new layer. Look at this. Look at this. I'm not much one. Not much of one for conversation, am I? Let's see. What kind of brushes do I have here? Big fat one, maybe. Big fat brush. Actually, I'll make it even bigger. Here we go. It's just basic colors. Nothing special here. So I really don't know what I'm doing. I haven't photoshopped in such a long time. Driving a van all day for my work, and now I get my lunch break, so I'm home doofing around. Can I do something interesting in 15 minutes? Already spent 3 of my minutes. Actually, it's 16 minutes, but whatever. I'm too lazy to set my timer back 1 minute because I have to cycle through all the numbers. Oh. Yeah, I can zoom in. So do that. I mean, yeah, it'd be like pissing off like kids at high school and stuff when I draw. I got so used to that website's tools. Yeah, I screw people who don't know what that is. So, it's like a site where you go to draw and goof around. And sometimes I just go there and draw some crazy ass crap. And it's better than most of what's out there. Well, some people are still better than me at it. Okay, a lot of people are, but still. Most of the time, you get average, mediocre people that are like little kids who don't know what they're doing. I go there to draw. I mess with them. I don't mess like drawing over their pictures or messing up their pictures. I just draw something that makes their stuff look so bad in comparison. Well, this looks awful in comparison to like what a lot of people do in Photoshop. I don't care. Like I said, I haven't been at it in a while. It's like riding the bike. Once you know it, you still do it, but I'm not going to ride the Tour de France because I'm out of shape. Like that, kind of. So, what am I doing here? Alright. It's my bird. And actually, I'll bring this up. What orange? Just baby. It's just a base color right now. Don't worry about the details yet. I'm gonna draw on a bird. I don't know. Is there a point to it? It's funny. Used to draw this hamster all the time, but somebody actually has the name Raging Hamster for one of their comics now. So since I like doing my own thing and don't want to be mistaken my Raging Hamster for theirs, I'm not gonna do that for now. I used to do that like at different websites. I just like draw a Raging Hamster. Used to be this well, I guess there still is this thing out. Is it Joomla or something? One of those website things, content management system or something. But Joomla had this thing called Flashy Tool, and I used to draw a Raging Hamster everywhere I went on Flashy Tool. Till I found iScribble, which seemed to have a more consistent UI. So. But that's just one site as opposed to all the sites that had that Joomla thing. That's another story. I'll stick with it. Yeah. Any place you saw crazy hamster on Flashy Tool, which actually got mentioned on their homepage, which is funny. Oh, it's the guy that did that. It's been so long. Alright. Where do I want to go in the color spectrum from there? I want to go here. Pure sorta. And there we go. Something like this. And now go later. I'm making bird's eyes crazy looking. This bird is a crazy bird. Should be crazy looking. That. It's simple, stupid. Let's give him purple eyes. Why not? Just because I can do that. It's my drawing, my stupid bird. I give him purple eyes. People are like, the hell is up with your Photoshop drawing? Why are you doing this shit? Yeah, because I can. Shit. size. Cooking to the eyes of the madness in this bird. Got some overspray on that last brush I used. Oh, I don't know. Must be lazy, I suppose. Oh, that's too strong. Wrong brush, that's why. Yeah, probably something like that, yeah. So crude, but it's funny. I don't care. I don't care, I'm having fun. What's the point of this? I'm on my lunch break. I can do whatever. I'm not trying to impress anyone or make any money doing this at the moment. If I was serious, I'd put a lot more effort into this right now, but I'm not. I ended up brushing it up. See, I'm not used to these brushes. Not used to them. It's also a problem when you have too many brushes to choose from sometimes. Guess it had been other stuff. So you get out of practice. But as you can see, I'm doing the hotkeys okay, so I remember that much. All kinds of crazy brushes. But just simple stuff. See that? Photoshop really has a crap blur brush, so I have to do it this way. Pan selection with the lasso. And then what do I do? Filter, blur the hell out of it. Like so. Okay. What do I do? History. And we get history brush. We do that, but soften with the brush. No. How do you do this? Brush tool. Alright, what did I do? I know there's some trick to this. It's just a bit. It's been a while. Gaussian blur. Tack that on. I know there's some trick with the history brush, but I can't remember how it was doing. I guess that's it. I just have to move it back in that way and use the brush to apply. I just want to soften up the edge. Yeah. So you have to do this roundabout way in CS2. Had a kind of crap. If you use, what is it, the blur tool here? No, not there. It's up here somewhere. Yeah, that blur tool is too weak to do much. So we can try it. Okay. Well, that's the smudge. That's why. You can use smudge instead of blur. That works too. Anyhow, this is fine. It's good enough for what I'm doing. How much time do I have left? I'm down to 1 minute, and I only did the eyes. Yeah. That's how much I've been out of practice. Oh, let's see what I can do. 1 minute. And darker, like so. Yeah, paintbrush would help. Well, I know why people time-lapse these things. So easy to lose track of time. Ah, bird. Stop with that bird. Too many brushes. Too many. Should I go over my time limit? I don't know. Should I? Oh, my time ran out. And I don't even hear my watch beeping. Alright, I don't know why it didn't beep. It should beep when my timer runs out. Okay, that's Doofy. Oh well, I'll just keep going for a little bit more. My timer ran out. Let's see, it's supposed to be 15 minutes. It's my crappy bird. Crappy, stupid bird. Yeah. Oh, what am I doing here? Like this. I give him a bloodshot eyes. It's always funny. Why is he's a stone bird? Why is he a stone bird? I don't know. This is funny. Alright. I don't know what is the deal here. I'm having fun, see? Yeah, I don't have the steadiest hand, even though I'm using a tablet. My hand isn't always that steady. I'm more used to drawing sketchily. I like to do painting kind of stuff. Like, I don't want real smooth lines. I end up having to use Beziers. And I switched to the mouse instead of tablet for that, just because, I don't know. It's funny, when I use the Beziers and those kind of things, I like the mouse. Drawing free like this, and tablet. And alright, brush do I want here? Something like that one, maybe? Switch back a little. Yeah, dial the opacity down. Size up. There. And what else can we do with brushes? It's been such a long time. I want the light color again. There's a trick to scattering. The problem with that is it's too far apart. Should turn off scattering, shape dynamics. Up, size color dynamics. Closure reset. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there's some other trick to it. Smoothie. Oh. Maybe there's some trick to get it scattered out. Or just scattering it. Kept it. Maybe it's scattering. It's count jitter. I bet you that's what it is. Maybe. There we go. I'm trying to get a texture going. That's what happens. You haven't done stuff in a long time. Forget the little tricks you used to be able to do. And let's shift that bluish. So. Oh. There. Here's the stupid bird. There, and it was done in probably more like 20 minutes. Let's say this is 20 minutes drawing a bird where they haven't practiced like over a year. Photoshop during a lunch break. And there you go. For those who go, oh, that sucks. Oh, what? Well, for anyone who thinks my bird sucks, there, I flipped the bird. Okay. What am I doing? Yeah. So there you go. for joining, and time to stop recording. See you later.